Good morning to all of you. Today we will study your light energy. Last class I have discussed what is light energy, what is plane mirror, how plane mirror works. Okay, so here we will go through some term related to reflection of light. Last class I have already told you the definition of reflection of light. Now we will go through some term related to reflection of light, which are most important in your near future. So here we will study more accurately, and everything we will complete everything given here. Okay, now remember the do you remember the definition of reflection of light? Are you remembering? Okay, good. Now we will go through some terms related to it. Let's consider this is a plane mirror. As I have told, this will be the opaque portion and this will be the your reflective part of the plane mirror. Okay. Now a ray of light coming from a torch like this. Okay. After striking to this mirror, it got reflected to same medium in this direction. Let it is A, it is B, and it is C. The name of this mirror is P dash. Now, okay, are you getting my point? A ray of light coming from this point A to this point B. After striking to the mirror, it gets reflected from point B to point C. The name of the mirror is P dash. Okay, now this is the point of reflection. Okay, in optics we imagine a ray line which is called normal. Okay, at point of incident, I will draw an imaginary line which is 90 or perpendicular to the mirror. Okay, perpendicular to the mirror means it is making 90 degrees with mirror at point of incident. Okay, so let this be N. Okay, now the ray of light which is striking at the mirror will be incident ray. Write it down, incident ray. Okay, the ray of light which reflect back to the same medium after striking a plane mirror is known as a reflected ray. Okay, reflected ray. Okay, the imaginary line which is perpendicular to point of the imaginary line which is perpendicular to mirror at point of incident or point of strike, we will say it as a point of incident, is called normal line. Okay, here it is your normal line. Okay, the point where incident ray, reflected ray and normal meets is called I will draw a dotted line. Okay, it's called point of incident. point of incidence. Are you getting? Are you getting? All definition have been given in your book, so I am not going through the definition. I will just elaborate the concept through a clear-cut diagram. Okay? Are you getting? I am repeating the same. Let's a ray of light coming from point A. Okay. It strike at point B. Okay. So the name of this ray of light AB. Okay. AB is your incident ray. Okay. After striking, it reflects back to the same. It reflects back to the same medium, that is the line BC. Okay. BC is your reflected ray. Reflected ray. Okay. No problem. Okay. After that, we imagine a line. Okay, which is perpendicular to the surface of reflection or your mirror. Okay, an imaginary line which is perpendicular to surface of reflection or mirror at point of contact is your point of incidence, is your normal line. Are you getting? It means NB is your normal line. Line NB is your normal line. Okay. B is a point where incident ray, normal line and a reflected ray meet. So B is your point of incidence. Okay? Are you clear? Okay. Take a screenshot and write it, note it down in your notebook. Okay? Have you noted down up to this? Now come to second concept. Do you know what is angle? No problem. This is not visible. Do you know what is angle? This is a ray. This is a ray. So from a point two ray generate, then they make an angle. Here this is an angle. This is also an angle. Okay. So the angle between incident ray and normal line. Okay. The angle between incident ray and normal line. This is the angle. Let's consider as theta 1. Okay. This is the symbol of theta 1, or we can write that. I will write it angle ABN. Angle ABN. This will be angle ABN. So this angle will be angle of incidence. Okay, incidence. Angle of incidence. Okay, so your angle of incidence will be angle ABN. This angle. Okay. And this is angle NBC. Okay. So this angle NBC will be your angle of reflection. reflection. Angle of reflection is angle MBC. Okay. And we write it down all this thing. Now come to laws of reflection. Now comes to laws of reflection. Okay. First law of reflection. Next, this is the mirror, incident ray, your reflected ray, this is your normal, this is angle of incidence I, this is angle of reflection R. Then according to law of reflection, angle I is equal to angle R. Okay, it means here I is angle of incidence. Okay, angle of incidence and R is angle R is angle of reflection. Okay, thank you. We will cover next all this thing in next class. Thank you.